Hi friends, my name is Nikhil. Now I am going to try to open the DC motor using a screwdriver. You can see I am opening the DC motor using a screwdriver. You can see I am trying to open the back side of the cap of the DC motor. Now I am going to show armature. You can see I am trying to show armature. Now first I will try to open the positive and negative terminal of the DC motor. This is to connect battery to a DC motor. Now I am trying to open the positive and negative terminal. You can see this is a positive and negative terminal of the DC motor. Now I am opening the armature. You can see I opened the armature with fill of copper wire. Outside there it is the start magnet. This is a front cap of the DC motor. Inside they have given two magnets to attract the armature. This is a positive and negative terminal of the DC motor. This is a armature with fill of copper wire. This is called a wind wire, and I gave outside a start magnet to attract the magnet. Inside this is a pen cap of DC motor. Inside they gave two magnets to attract the armature. This is a back cap. This is a positive and negative terminal. You can see I opened the positive and negative terminal of DC motor. This is a back cap of the DC motor. This type of material that I have found inside the DC motor. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you came to my channel for first time, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.